There's 3 screws here. Take these 3 out first. Let's see. 1 here. 1 here. And 1 here. There's another 14 here. I had recently loosened these 14s here. I do this one here and I do these 2 right here. I drop this out of the way. And then I got 1 14 here. Boom. Those are 12s over there. And I believe it's a 14 on one end and a 12 on the other. I came out first time without having to do too much of anything. You gotta get it over and then slide this puppy out. Don't drop it because there's a cat in here. You'll disturb the cat in here, then you'll be stuck behind any one of these. Now we have access to more stuff.